it was really cool.
Yeah.
Roberta kept opening it and they kept shooting popcorn out of it.
Oh my God.
That was kind of funny.
Jesus.
Oh, I don't know if it's gonna pop.
I want to see if it does though.
Yeah. It's burning. They're literally on fire.
That's all light up.
For another anticlimactic.
Yep. Yeah. Add it to the rest, bud.
With the water bottle in the river.
Yeah.
Got some refried beans can. What are we gonna do with it? We're gonna pour oil in it. And then we're going to put popcorn kernels in it and see if we can get it to pop over the fire. I gotta see this. Okay, Jim is adding the popcorn kernels.
Coat them up all messy.
How are you going to hold it over?
What is that, dude?
We're gonna set it in the fire.
Fried beans?
That's where the
Yeah.
It's already starting to sizzle.
Oh, yeah, that fire's hot.
Alright, stand back. Put the oil in it?
Yep. Oil.
Yeah, how are they not popping?
I wonder if the bottom blew out.
It's catching on fire.
It's like oil. Maybe there's too much oil.
What's that in there? Let it go.
Let it go.
And then that oil will get hot.
Let it go, man.
Oh no, the oil's hot. Yeah, be careful because it's gonna burn you. Yeah, even
Right in your
towards me,
face.
You're dumb and catch. Life is not without experiment.
It is disappointing. I'm very surprised as well. Oh wait, one just popped.
Yep.
It's happening.
There they go.
They're going.
They are popping.
Oh, I hear it.
Here it comes. Here it comes.
Come on, pop out of there.
Oh, there was one.
Look at it. One popping out. Right there.
Yep.
no kidding, it's actually
There
working.
they go.
There they go. Look it. Grab it.
Yeah, popcorn out. Don't want to waste the popcorn.
Grab the whole can. You got a full can right there.
No, they're still going in there.
Oh,
Ah.
no!
Now they're burning. Now you burned them. It worked.
You could salvage some of those though.
Yeah, a couple maybe.
It
But
did work.
no thanks.
That's the hottest.
That one was definitely better.
Oh, not good.
No. Chewy.
No. It was bad. Let it go. And then if periodically we're gonna have to open that sucker.
We're preheating right now.
Remember, we gotta. Well, of course, that griddle ticks in too. So
All right, Michelle is adding oil to the griddle.
you gotta remember to keep the kernels in the middle this time.
Kernels in the middle, okay. And now,
One in there, see.
That's quite good. And then just more on. No, I think you're good. Or maybe a little savory on top of that. And then you get the butter flavor. Now we wait.
now we wait.
You can smell the popcorn starting to toast.
So now you're just what, flipping it over kind of thing? Just kind of.
Just kind of like running it into the oil. We had it all over last time, so we're trying to keep
trying
it in the middle so that it kind of gets hot. Yeah.
Okay.
Because the first time we did the whole griddle, so a lot of it popped and then the edges weren't popping. So we thought if we put it in the middle, it would be more centralized.
Okay.
We're experimenting.
Yep. It's a work in progress. Oh!
There it goes. Ready? Gotta give it a quick peek. Going pretty good. We need smell-o-vision.
I didn't do like a lot of
Oh! Oh.
Fresh cut piece.
Is it good?
Oh, that's really good. Oh, it's better this time because of the savory. It's buttery.
Gotta put it on afterwards.
No, listening.
It's going pretty good now.
Yeah.
Oh, it's definitely going now. Ready?
She keeps. I say she. I say she keeps, asking me if I want to come in, and then I get popped on.
That was what we did last time, and then we shut it off.
Mm-hmm.
Right when it got kind of to the end, we shut it off, and then let it finish. You can hear it; it slows like it does in the microwave, and then we just took it all off. It didn't burn at all. Like you would think the ones that popped early would start to burn. Nope.
Okay. Ooh! Jeez. Ooh, here's a piece. I'm going to try some. Yeah, it's good. Needs salt.
It does need salt.
Yeah.
Salt from inside.
Well, once you put the savory on it and it comes out, it kind of takes care of the
Right,
salt.
the savory. Smells good. What'd you do at camp today? Alright, geez. Just when it's done. This is the danger part. And there you have it. Popcorn on the grill.
Ooh. All right. The cookers should be the tasters. Yeah.
Nice and hot.
Yummy.
Yummy. All right. We got to give it to the guys after the last time they tried the popcorn out of the fire. So we'll see if it's better this time.
Need to try popcorn.
He's like, well, she wouldn't be able to get away from me.
Nice and hot.
We got to make sure it's.
Put it right in my mouth.
That's perfect.
Oh!
Is it perfect?
Talk to me like that, Captain.
That's better than fire popcorn.
He's like, put it right in my mouth.
Better than a bag.
Really good.
All right.
Popcorn to share with your friends.
So popcorn over the griddle is thumbs up.
2 thumbs up.
Hold on.
All the thumbs up.
You do know in that game.
Woohoo! All right, we're getting the fire ready. We're gonna do the next round in the cast iron skillet. This should be fun. Okay, got the oil in the pan. It's going down. Okay, getting it warm. Oh wow, look how quickly the oil just... Okay.
What do you think?
Looks good to me. All right. Jim's going in.
Nope.
Yeah, now at this point we just want to watch it explode. Oh. Wow, look how fast it's popping already. Holy cow.
You guys want to come watch this?
It's more fun this way.
Oh, that was right in front of you, Cam. Come on, dude. It's in the game. Oh, that one almost hit you in the mouth. I don't want to burn my mouth full.
Look at it. It's like snowing.
Yeah, but they're burning in there too.
Yeah, they are burning in there.
Yep.
That's a hot fire right there.
Okay, Roberta. Wow!
They tried to do that with the grill. Roberta tried to shake the grill.
No, all right, we're just burning now. Can we take popcorn?
Yeah, Mike said.